I didn't plan on making this video, but I discovered one YouTube channel that inspired me to make this video. The name of the YouTube channel is 3.7 million, and what the creator of that channel did is something I really like. I really like what he did, and I think it's very important. What he generally do is he just go to YouTube and search for some of the most popular side hustles that you see when you search for how to make money online, and he takes some of the most popular videos. He follows the advice and the guidance in the video, and he tried to make money with side hustle within a specific period of time. He did several videos. He did drop shipping. He did Amazon FBA. I think he did day trading, spot betting. There are several videos that he did on this type of topic. He just search, find some of the most popular videos that are teaching that thing, and he tried to make money with it, very often within like 30 days. And he recorded everything, every step of the way, everything that he did, he recorded it. So you can clearly see whether he make money or not. And you can clearly see whether he put in the effort or not. So this is going to do something. I will highly advise you go and check out that YouTube channel if you are in the stage of trying to make money online and nothing is working yet. That video is going to do something for you. When you watch some of those videos on that channel, you are going to understand most of the videos that you are going to find on YouTube when you search for how to make money online, they actually work. You can make money with it, but the creators or the teachers who are teaching the thing hype it really well and make it sound very interesting, way less effort, and very unrealistic. This is a major problem. They teach it in the most unrealistic way. I think there is one video I watched from the channel where he watched Mark Tilbury, I think that's the name of the guy. He was teaching how to make I think a few $1,000s every month by flipping Airbnb. He tried it, he did make some money with it, but nowhere near that amount. He tried something else, I think car flipping, where you buy a car that was involved in an accident, you fix it up and you sell it. He did make some money with it, but nowhere near the amount that the people teaching it promised. And a question that can come to your mind when you watch those videos is, why? Why do these creators make videos and hype something, give unrealistic expectations? Well, the main reason I believe is YouTube is a lucrative business. YouTube is something where you can make one video, upload it, and the video can make money for years. And the main problem is YouTube reward views and engagement. So most people are just going to try to do whatever is going to generate views and engagement, because that is going to translate to money, either through Google AdSense or through selling their own product or through selling affiliate product. So this is the main reason. Whatever is going to generate the most amount of views and engagement, creators focus on it, even if it is unrealistic. This is the one important thing that I want you to take away. There are so many different ways that you can make money online, but there is no easy way of making money today anywhere. Some ways are easier than some ways, but every way that you can follow to make money online is going to require effort, is going to take time, and you are going to have to struggle to build it up before it generates any lucrative amount of money for you. So if you see someone teaching you how to make a very high amount of money within maybe 2 or 3 weeks, within a very short amount of time, there is a very good chance they are teaching you something unrealistic. And when you start something with unrealistic expectations, there is a very high likelihood of you giving up before you take it to any level of success. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, YouTube think you are going to like this one too. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.